Welcome back to Nate's Happy Hour Bar, everybody, where myself and the Nom Nom Bomb are continuing our around the world journey with cocktails from all over the world. Now this week, we're in Egypt, and Mount Sinai in Egypt has one of the best sunrises in the world, and I think it's only appropriate that we make a Tequila Sunrise to honor it. Let's get into it.
All right, so we're building this drink in a glass. There is no shaker required. To kick this off, we're going to start with adding 60 mils of tequila. Followed by 240 mils of orange juice. And finally, 25 mils of Grenadine.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Tequila Sunrise. A classic drink that everyone should know how to make. Cheers, everyone.